Once upon a time, in a lush forest where creatures of all kinds roamed, a curious exchange took place between an unlikely pair, a donkey and a tiger. It all began when the donkey, known for his eccentricity, approached the tiger with a bold proclamation. "The grass is blue," he declared confidently. The tiger, taken aback by such a peculiar assertion, countered with equal certainty, "No, the grass is green." As their debate escalated, tempers flared, and it became apparent that a resolution was needed to settle their disagreement once and for all. Recognizing the need for impartial judgment, the donkey and the tiger agreed to seek arbitration from the wisest creature in the forest, the lion. With determination, they set out together towards the lion's domain, a clearing deep within the heart of the forest, where the lion ruled from his majestic throne. However, before they could present their case, the donkey, seizing the opportunity to gain favor, began to loudly proclaim his belief to the king of the forest. "Your Highness," he exclaimed, "isn't it true that the grass is blue? The tiger contradicts me and annoys me. Please punish him." Listening attentively, the lion, wise and impartial, pondered the matter carefully. In his judgment, he saw not only the dispute at hand, but also the importance of maintaining harmony among the creatures of the forest. With a solemn voice, the lion decreed the tiger will be punished with 5 years of silence. Ecstatic with the verdict, the donkey leaped with joy and departed, content in his belief that the grass was indeed blue. However, as the tiger accepted his punishment, a question lingered in his mind. Approaching the lion respectfully, he inquired, "Your Majesty, why have you punished me? After all, the grass is green." With a knowing gaze, the lion responded, "In truth, the donkey's belief holds no bearing on the color of the grass. Your punishment is not for your disagreement, but for disturbing the peace of our forest with your quarrel. May this time of silence serve as a reminder to honor the diversity of perspectives, and to uphold the tranquility of our home." And so, with the lion's wisdom, peace was restored to the forest, and the donkey and the tiger learned the value of respect and harmony amidst differing opinions. Moral of the story: respect for diversity. The tale emphasizes the importance of respecting and accepting diverse perspectives. Harmony and peace. The story underscores the significance of maintaining harmony and peace within communities.